just after 2 hours, this is our dough. Okay, so it's already risen. We have to form it and make it as a bread. Okay, I will just put a little bit of flour. Okay, so actually I'm gonna use marble. What do you call this? Round. So it will make it will give us a round shape like this. So we will keep on pressing until we get now the shape of the bread, which is the round shawarma bread. So let's wait for some time. Yes, so forming the shawarma bread into round shape is really a challenge, but it is quite rewarding, no? Once you get the shape that you want. So you need to use actually a ruler like this to make it thinner, so that it will be soft bread, like it's not thick. Okay, so I think it's ready. We're gonna put this in the frying pan.